Open the box and check the components of product. Micro USB charging cable, magnetic holder, holder mounting clip. User's guide. DAVV 360 Smart Cradle. Please read user's guide carefully before installing the DAVV. Please use the power adapter provided as the bundle with the mobile phone to be used as a camera, because adapters for cradle power have different specifications for each mobile phone. It is recommended to use more than 2 ampere at 5 volt. Lower than 2 ampere may not be able to charge the camera phone well due to camera should be on always. The enclosed micro USB charging cable is for charging of the camera phone, connected to the camera phone and USB charging port at the top of cradle. For iPhone users, please use a genuine iPhone cable. The enclosed magnetic holder and holder mounting clip are used for mounting the camera phone on the cradle. Insert the magnetic holder into the holder mounting clip and attach it to the camera phone. Mount the phone for using as camera on the top of the cradle.